Hello, so we're episode 2 of Talking Shop with SERVPRO of Hunt Valley, Harford County, and New Cumberland, Carlisle. I'm Trish Wall, owner, sales and marketing manager, and I'm here with Amanda Berman. She is the office manager for Bella Restoration.
So Bella Restoration is a company that specializes in restoring residential and commercial properties after they've incurred a loss, that being water or fire damage. We are affiliated with SERVPRO as a licensed general contractor with the state of Maryland. We actually have the same owners, one of the same owners as SERVPRO of Hunt Valley. So we like to get in there right after SERVPRO's done so we can get you back and up and running and living your life like you're supposed to after you have a loss. I'd have to say my most rewarding job was after I was with Bella for about 2 years, and we did a 12-unit condo complex rebuild after a massive fire. It was rewarding to me just because I got a really nice card from one of the unit owners that was addressed to me and the production manager and the operations manager, and she was just very grateful that we were there for her.
Can you tell us, or maybe I should tell you, how Bella got its name?
I think you should, because I love this story.
So my husband Jim and I are owners of SERVPRO of Hunt Valley, Harford County, and New Cumberland, Carlisle. We had a dog. She was our first baby. She's 13 years old now. Her name is Bella. So when opening our new rebuild company, we thought, what perfect name than Bella Restoration so she can live in infamy.
Yes, she is our mascot. I call her the office mascot.
The office mascot, for sure. Well, thank you, Amanda, for stopping by and talking with us a little bit about Bella Restoration. You can call them at
410-229-9909 and ask for Amanda to schedule an estimate.
Thanks so much. We appreciate your time and attention, and we'll see you at our next Talking Shop.